In this video, you'll learn how to use the MSM Organic Sulfur from No Boundaries Health and Wellness to make a MSM cream. Start by opening and pouring some of your MSM Organic Sulfur into a blender. Alternatively, you can use a mortar and pestle to crush the crystals into a fine powder. Take care not to blend the scoop or desiccant found within each package. In this example video, we'll be using an aloe vera lotion as the base, but you can use any of your favorite lotions or creams. We're also going to be creating 8 ounces of our end product with a 10% mixture rate of the blended MSM powder. To meet that goal, we simply use a scale to find 7.2 ounces of the aloe vera base, or 90% of mixture end weight, and 0.8 ounces of the blended MSM Organic Sulfur, or 10% of the end weight. Simply mix after the ingredients are added. Most lotions or creams will allow for 5 to 15% of MSM Organic Sulfur to be added without significantly changing the texture. We've found that if you want to transfer your cream or lotion to a bottle, it works well to scoop the mixture into a plastic baggie, then cut one corner off. This allows you to force the mixture into a bottle without a mess. To learn more about MSM Organic Sulfur and the benefits you can receive, visit www.organicsulfurhelps.com.